Today we'll be talking about stress. Modern life is full of hassles, deadlines, frustrations, and demand. For many people, stress is so commonplace that it has become a way of life. Now, what is stress? Stress is a normal physical response to events that make you feel threatened or upset your balance in some way. Not always stress is negative. We have a positive stress cycle. स्ट्रेस के हमारी जो पॉजिटिव साइकिल है उसमें क्या है, स्ट्रेस इजंट ऑलवेज बैड. स्ट्रेस लेना हमेशा बुरा नहीं है. इन स्मॉल डोजेस इट कैन हेल्प you perform under pressure and motivate you to do your best. But when you are constantly running in emergency mode, your mind and body may pay the price. Some of the causes of stress are chronic worry, pessimism, negative self-talk, unrealistic expectations, rigid thinking, lack of flexibility, all or nothing attitude. And some of the external causes of stress are major life changes, work or school problems, we all have relationship difficulties, financial problems, being too busy, and we have the stress of children and family. Things that influence stress tolerance level are your support system. If you have a strong network, supportive friends and family members, it can be an enormous buffer against life stresses. Your sense of control. It may be easier to take stress in your stride if you have confidence in yourself and your ability to influence events and perseverance through challenges. If you feel like things are out of control, you are likely to have less tolerance for stress. Your attitude also matters, the way you behave. Optimistic people are more often stress hardly. They tend to embrace challenges, have a strong sense of humor, and accept that changes is a part of life. Side by side, we have what is your ability to deal with your emotions. If you are extremely vulnerable to stress, if you don't want to know how to calm and soothe yourself when you are feeling sad, angry, or overwhelmed by a situation. Next is your knowledge and preparation. The more you know about a stressful situation, including how long it will last and what to expect, it is easier to cope. Just for an example, I would like to tell you, if you go into surgery with a realistic picture of what to expect post operation, a painful recovery will be less traumatic than if you were expecting to bounce back immediately. Now we'll be talking about how to deal with stress. There are 4 A's. First is avoid, alter, adapt, and accept. By avoiding, we means that we should not take unnecessary stress. Not all stress can be avoided, but by learning how to say no, distinguishing between shoulds and musts, and what is your to-do list, and steering clear of people or situation that stress you out, you can eliminate many daily stressors. Next is alter the situation. If you can't avoid a stressful situation, try to alter it. Be more assertive and deal with problems head on instead of bottling up your feelings and increasing your stress. Respectfully let others know about your concerns, or be more willing to compromise and try to meet other halfway. Next is adapt to the stressors. When you can't change the stressor, try changing yourself. Reframe problems or focus on the positive things in your life. If a task at work has you stressed, focus on the aspects of your job you do enjoy, and always look at the big picture, that is really something worth getting upset about. Next is accept the things you can't change. There will always be stressors in life that you can't do anything about. Learn to accept the inevitable rather than rail against a situation. So, we should know how to manage our stress, avoid stressful situations, avoid extremes, set realistic goals, manage how stress affects you, change how you see the situation, set your priorities, take control of the situation, discover new relaxation techniques.